Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying a Detangler, and that is the Creme of Nature's Pure Honey Not Away Leave-In Detangler. My towler, oh my gosh. This is the Creme of Nature Not Away Leave-In Detangler for dry, dehydrated hair. Okay guys, so this product smells amazing. It smells fruity and floral. You guys know I love a sweet floral smell. It's not too overwhelming. I had to switch over to voiceover because my toddler's here. So my hair is about a week old. I had it slicked back and it's very dry. So you'll see the transition in that. This product is very thick and creamy, and again, it smells amazing. Per usual, my videos are self-explanatory. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you find it helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. If you guys don't know, I cut my hair again. I got heat damage. I had a little bit of more heat damage on my ends. I tried to film a wash and go for you guys, and my ends would not curl. And it made me think it's maybe because I blew my hair out incorrectly. So, cut it again. Health over length for me, okay? Let's get healthy first before we get long.